So today we have a young 27-year-old patient who's going to get some Botox, which works really well for her, but you might ask the question, why are we doing Botox on a 27-year-old? And part of the reason is that some people will just have active muscles that are so active that if you don't start treating them, at least when they're a little younger, that you're going to get a real indentation or a crease. Now, give us a frown. So in our patient's case here, you can see she's stronger on this left side, relax, and consequently that's starting to leave a little crease here. Some people even frown at night and they don't know it, and so if they do, they're going to etch this, and then that's going to be more challenging to deal with down the road. You also notice that because she's a little stronger on this side, if you catch it just right, her eyebrow over here is just a wisp lower, and we really don't want that to continue to get worse or to be more evident where she has a bit of an asymmetry that again would be harder to correct down the road. So by treating her today, and we're not using a lot, but by treating her today to really soften that up, this will help prevent future problems down the road. Now, we're going to use 24 units. You might say, well, what's the normal amount that we should use? Everybody's a little different. So the first time we did this, we used a little less. We felt that we needed just a touch more this time. So you might have to, it's a little bit of trial and error sometimes, that there's kind of an average amount. And you can tell just by the activity of the muscle and how strong the muscle is. You can get after you've been doing it a while, you can get a pretty good idea about how much they need, but you might need to tweak it a touch. It's kind of funny because with the mask wearing being so prevalent, you see things like frown lines a lot more than you would before, because people would smile and you'd see other areas that now everything's concentrated in this area, that things show up a little bit more. Frown again.